Going on, guys? Welcome back. Got junk everywhere. Working on an 07 Silverado today. Upper control arms. This ball joint. Yikes! Show you on the other side. I gotta get this wheel pulled off. Listen to this little snap on. This thing is barking. Don't mind this. Thing is barking. Lug nuts went everywhere. Upper control arm. Why do they have the bolt going in? Why wouldn't they have the nuts on the inside? Come on, GM. You gotta do better. Got a lift, nice addition to the shop. Gotta get the shop built. Little 10mm here. Take that free, and it'll free up your ABS sensor and your brake line. Then 21. Take these two free. Oh, good, googly moogly. That thing is juicy. Free that up. Go to the other side over here. Free that up. What size we got here? 18. Lower ball joint or upper ball joint here. Go under it. There you go. Nothing to it. Break that bad boy loose. Get you a beater. Beat right here. That'll pop out. Get these out. Pull that thing out of there. Get it swapped over.